Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. If you're new to my channel or visiting me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're up to date when I post new videos. Okay guys, this is going to be a quick unboxing and review of the Kemie Lint Remover. I also like to dub it a lint shaver because I think that's what it's actually going to do, is help me to remove the lint balls from my clothing and a coat that has so many lint balls, it's not even funny. And I think coupled with a lint roller, they work perfectly well to actually achieve the results that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and check out the Kemie Lint Remover / shaver. Using the lint roller, you can shave wool coats, bedding sets, sweaters, leggings, plush toys, and scarves. It has a foldable design and hairball storage for easier use. Honeycomb mesh USB cord, a slope design, and it also has an additional rotary blade. Okay, so opening the box, the first thing you'll notice is the blade, and that's actually an additional one. There's already currently one inside the shaver itself. So you get your manual with instructions, of course, and different tips I'm sure that you might need to know to use the lint remover. You get a brush for cleaning, at least that's what I'm assuming that's for. You get a USB power cord to power it up and charge it when it's not being used or just before you want to use it. And this is the main shaver / remover. So as you can see, it has that mesh little component that they mentioned on the back of the box. You can see where the USB cord would go. That's the handle, which is actually quite effective, and it comes up that way. The power button is there, which I think is a little bit strange, and I'm not quite sure what that other little button is for. But again, you would plug in your USB cord there and of course charge it up, and the indicator will let you know when it's charged. So I'm going to go ahead and actually open up the manual / pamphlet so that you all can see. I also wanted to find out if it came in a different language, but I don't recall if it did for sure. But if it does come in a different language, I will let you guys know in the description box below. But the pamphlet has a lot of information on both sides, diagrams and all. So it's very useful information that you need to know about your device. Again, the additional blade, which is really nice, so that you don't have to do that yourself or find a replacement. So I'm really happy about that. Here is one of 2 articles of clothing that I'm going to be shaving. This shirt is definitely speckled, but it has tiny lint balls on there, plenty of them actually. That's actually meant to be on the shirt, that dot right there. But the rest of the shirt mostly has tiny little lint balls. And if you see the shirt in person, you can definitely tell, and you can see it even on camera. You can tell where the speckles are meant to be and where the lint balls are just like all over the shirt. So I'm going to use the shaver to go ahead and shave off one side of the shirt and show you guys what that looks like. In this first part, I'm actually going to leave the sound on so that you guys can see when I click this on what it sounds like and the amount of noise the shaver exudes. And I think that's really important for you to know in case you want to use it or in case you're planning on using it, but you need to be concerned about a quiet space. I just think that might be useful information for someone to know. Okay, I'm going to speed through the rest of the process just so that the video isn't too long. Okay, I will link how long it took me to shave that one side. I want to give you guys accurate numbers, but as you can see, they're tiny little black lint balls or particles of clothing in the shaver. So let's go ahead and see the results. I'm going to show you the side that I shaved first. And you can see it's actually pretty smooth compared to that side that has all the tiny little lint balls. So it's very effective, but again, I think it's important for you to know how long it took me to shave that one side of the shirt, but comparing the two, you can definitely see the difference, and I'm pretty happy with that. I do plan to finish shaving the shirt off camera. I just don't think you guys need to see me do the entire thing. I just wanted to show you guys an example of a very lightweight piece of clothing that you can use the lint shaver on, and it won't ruin your clothes even though it's very lightweight. So here is the second piece of clothing. This one's actually a wool coat, and as you can see, it has tons of little lint balls, as I like to call them, lots and lots and lots of them, just from carrying my bag and being prominently in the arm area, the shoulder area, going down the side of I would say my body, the pockets. I think the main places that usually have the most sort of interaction. So I'm going to go ahead and shave that really quickly and show you guys the end result. Okay, I wanted you guys to see the tiny little lint particles, the purple that's in the bottom of the shaver. So that definitely lets me know that it's working. When I see those tiny purple little particles, that something actually came off of the coat. You can see how smooth the pocket of the coat looks compared to what it looked like prior to using the lint remover and shaving off the lint balls. The arms, of course, still have lint on them. I'm going to go ahead and shave both arms and show you all what that looks like. I will speed through the process so you all don't have to tediously watch me do it on camera. Okay, there was such a huge difference in the arms after I shaved one that I just had to stop really quickly and show you all the difference. I mean, it's pretty visible and very amazing. I will again link the time that it took me to shave the arms and all that information. I'm going to time it out so that you guys know, and I'll link that information in the description box below. So I'm just going to continue onward. Okay, so I'm all done. There's so much purple now in the bottom of the lint remover. Both arms are completely done, and I'm very happy with the end result. Again, took some time. I will try to estimate the time again for you all, but I'm really happy with the end results. There are little white specks that I'm actually seeing on camera, but I couldn't see that in person, but I'm just going to use a lint roller to handle those. And as you can see, the pocket still has lint balls on there, and I will finish the entire coat off with the shaver. It's not much left to do, but overall, I'm very happy with the end results of the Kemie Lint Remover, and I will link the information on where I purchased it in the description box below. If you have any questions about this product, make sure you drop me that in the comment box below as well. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you again for checking out the Kemie Lint Remover unboxing and quick review. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.